Sony cameras are known for cutting-edge technology, stunning image quality, and powerful autofocus performance. Whether you're a beginner, vlogger, photographer, or professional filmmaker, the best Sony cameras deliver fast shooting speeds, crisp photos, and cinematic 4K video in compact, reliable bodies, making them a top choice for creators of every level. Starting at number 1, Sony Alpha 7 IV camera. The Sony Alpha 7 IV, full-frame mirrorless, interchangeable lens camera, is a versatile powerhouse designed for photographers and videographers alike. It features a 33MP full-frame XMOR-R CMOS sensor paired with Sony's BioNZ XR image processor, delivering exceptional image quality, rich colors, and impressive low-light performance. Thus, with 759 phase detection autofocus points, real-time IAF, and advanced tracking, it ensures sharp, precise focus in any scenario. The camera supports 4K video recording up to 60p in 10-bit, making it ideal for cinematic footage, while its in-body 5-axis image stabilization helps capture steady handheld shots. Additional features like a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, high-resolution electronic viewfinder, and fast 10 FPS continuous shooting make the Alpha 7 IV a powerful all-in-one tool for creators seeking both stunning photos and professional quality video. Number 2. Sony A7 III camera. The Sony A7 III ILCE7M3B full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera is a versatile and powerful camera body ideal for both photographers and videographers. It features a 24.2 MP back-illuminated full-frame XMOR-R CMOS sensor paired with the BioNZ X image processor, delivering outstanding image quality with wide dynamic range and low noise across various lighting conditions. The camera offers 693 phase detection autofocus points, up to 10 FPS continuous shooting with AF/AE tracking, and UHD 4K video recording, making it suitable for action, portraits, landscapes, and cinematic projects. Additional features include a 3-inch tilting touchscreen LCD, 5-axis in-body image stabilization, dual SD card slots, and built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, all housed in a weather-sealed body, providing creators with a reliable, high-performance tool for a wide range of shooting situations. Number 3. Sony Alpha ZV-E1. The Sony Alpha ZV-E1 full-frame interchangeable lens mirrorless vlog camera, blackbody, is a premium camera built especially for content creators and vloggers who want cinematic quality in a compact package. It features a 12.1 MP full-frame back-illuminated XMOR-R CMOS sensor, paired with Sony's BioNZ XR image processor, delivering excellent low-light performance, wide dynamic range, and gorgeous background blur. The ZV-E1 offers powerful 4K video recording, including high-bit 10-bit color and upgradable 4K 120p, and advanced AI-based autofocus with subject tracking and auto-framing to keep your videos sharp and centered. It also has 5-axis in-body image stabilization and a vari-angle touchscreen LCD for smooth, steady footage and easy self-recording. Dedicated creator features like a high-performance built-in microphone with variable directivity, product showcase mode, and cinematic vlog settings make it a great choice for YouTube, streaming, and social media video projects. Number 4. Sony Alpha 6700. The Sony Alpha 6700 APS-C interchangeable lens camera is a powerful mirrorless camera designed for advanced photography and video content creation. It packs a 26MP APS-C XMOR-R CMOS sensor with Sony's BioNZ XR processor, delivering high-resolution stills, impressive dynamic range, and excellent color reproduction. The camera supports 4K video recording up to 60p with oversampling and even high-frame 4K up to 120p, making it great for cinematic footage, and includes AI-based subject recognition and real-time tracking for reliable autofocus across people, animals, and more. It also offers 5-axis in-body image stabilization, log shooting with LUT handling for professional video workflows, and a vari-angle touchscreen LCD for flexible shooting and vlogging. Lightweight and compact with Sony E-mount compatibility, The Alpha 6700 is a strong hybrid option for creators who want excellent photo and video performance in one camera. Number 5. Sony NEW Alpha 7S III. The Sony Alpha 7S III. Full-frame interchangeable lens. Mirrorless camera is a professional-grade camera that excels in both video and low-light performance. It features a new 12.1 MP full-frame back-illuminated Exmor-R CMOS sensor and Sony's powerful BIONZ XR image processor, delivering exceptional sensitivity, low noise, and wide dynamic range, ideal for shooting in challenging lighting conditions. The camera supports 4K video recording at up to 120 FPS with 10-bit 422 color, advanced codecs, and even 4K 60p 16-bit RAW output via HDMI, making it a top choice for filmmakers and videographers. It also includes a fast hybrid autofocus system with 759 phase detection points, 5-axis in-body image stabilization, a high-resolution 9.44 million dot OLED viewfinder, and a fully articulating touchscreen LCD for flexible shooting angles. With dual CF Express Type A card slots, robust heat-dissipating design for longer recording times, and professional-oriented features, the Alpha 7S III is a powerful tool for creators who demand top-tier video and still performance from a mirrorless camera.